Contestant number 69, Miss Maria Bambi Ramirez!
Good evening to each and everyone. A pleasant evening to each and everyone. My name is Maria Ana Marie Bambi Ramirez. I'm 18 years of age, a first-year student in Bilangan Catholic College, but this night allow me son by the name and is ang First Lady ng USA, Miss Michelle Barack Obama. Naging po ng mga katagang, hindi ba baklang tawaging bato-bato, wag lang baklang gumagamit ng bato. I review sa na. Dapat ang ano?
Dali lang!
Wala na!
Sige lang!
Dapat ang trophy ako mananalo! Dapat na!
Diretso. Pisal tawa.
Naging pa ng mga katikang, pangit man ako sa inyong paningin. Ba't di kayo tumangin sa salamin pangit kayo?
And the winner is Miss Bambi Marie Ramirez! Congratulations!
Oh, thank you! Thank you very much! I would like to thank to my manager, especially the board of judges for choosing the winner, Miss Gaten Katlahan, 2011. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.